suffer. When two elephants fight, the grass go suffer. I know what you know.
Where is my father's corpse gold?
And your maggot-filled head did not tell you that I have gone across the rivers to fortify myself.
Really?
Really?
This might just be our last battle.
Bring it on.
Shush away.
Too much ass with a pinch of sense.
Birds of the same feathers, they know themselves.
You don't have to do this.
Are you ready to speak, Gold?
You don't shoot him, please. He's my only brother. Don't. Please.
I will blow his head off if you don't answer my question. Where is my father's corpse?
You
do not want me to ask again.
I burnt it.
You did what?
What do you do this one? You dey craze? Why they shout like this? Why they make noise for this place? You don't dey craze?
Abi you don dey mental? See this one.
See this guy, yo.
You dey okay, so?
No try shout like this again. If not, you go collect. What thing they do you?
You feel say you find a complaint, Abi?
Oh, we make him try, make him see.
Sorry. Please, I'm thirsty. I need water, please.
You need water?
There's no water for you until midnight. That is the instruction from our boss.
Come and drink my urine. Blind don't know what you want to do here. You don't know. If you see na play, you come play for Yabi.
Don't dey let. Make him try, make him see.
Clear for your eye. I taste Yabi. Come and drink.
Where is my father's corpse, Gold?
You walk in here like a mortuary attendant. So in your head, this edifice looks like a mortuary. Why would you be asking me of your father's corpse? Huh?
I am not here to exchange words with you. I just want my father's corpse. Today is my father's funeral, Gold. And I will not have you ruin it.
Neither am I in a mood to exchange words with you. If I don't get to see my brother, you won't see your father's corpse.
Gold, you know I do not have a hand in your brother's disappearance. Why do you just want to fight me over nothing? I want my father's corpse, Gold.
I will not have you come into my house and insult me or speak to me in a rude manner. Get out.
If I do not have my father's corpse, Gold, I'll just kill your mother because I have her.
You what? Silver. Let me make this clear to you. If anything happens to my mother, I will wipe everything that breathes in your village. Don't dare me.
Let's see how you do that.
Bastard. Little Silver. Hello? Okay, I'm coming.
You will not leave this place, Gold, until I have my father's corpse. Hello. I'll be right there.
When two elephants fight, the grass goes suffer. When two elephants fight, the grass goes suffer.
You both think you are smart. God brought an item for sacrifice and took it away.
Wise one, I did not take him. Silver did. I do not know what she's talking about. Besides, you staged the kidnapping of your brother because you thought I wanted to use him as sacrifice. You and your men kidnapped my father's corpse. You killed my brother. Yet you sit here and lie against me.
You think you are smart. You think you can fool me. Why did you kill him?
I didn't mean to kill him. I didn't know he was going to die. I shot him out of anger.
I give you 3 days to find him and bring him here, dead or alive. And you, Silver, bring your love here.
I don't know where she's kept him.
Where did you keep him?
Wise one, I'll bring him. But is there not something we can do about this? Can't we improvise? Maybe use an animal, or I don't know how to explain it. Nonso is my only brother. I can't afford to just let him go like that.
Release him to Silver. Besides, Silver has every right to take some pound of flesh. That is the rule of this sisterhood.
And this whole thing is worthless. I'm sorry.
You don't have to bring him here. Get him drunk. Make him sleep. Shave his pubic hair and bring it here. On the 3rd day, slit his wrists, his ankles, and his feet. Make him sleep until he wakes in the land of the dead.
I'll do as you've said, wise one. Please, ask her to release my father's corpse so I can bury him properly.
Good. Release her father's corpse to her village immediately. Am I understood?
I will. Silver, please, I am begging you. You don't have to do this. Nonso is my only brother. Please. How the tables have turned. Gold, I begged you. Afam was my only brother, yet you killed him right before my eyes. You took my father's corpse. You deceived Afam, made him fall in love with you. before you killed him. Silva, please. If you do this, if you kill Nonso, I will be wretched for the rest of my life. This is my only brother we are talking about.
Take a look at me. I am also wretched. I'm not dead yet. But guess what? That's the difference between you and I, Gold. You care about material things. Not even your brother. That defines the person you've become. What a shame. So, there is a way out of this. Please. Gold, I want my father's corpse. Now. You have him right away. Let's go.
My daughter, take heart. You see, it is not easy for one to lose two loved ones in space of days. So we know what you are going through. One.
I didn't do anything to Gold. I have never done anything to hurt her physically. I do not owe Gold. Yet she did this to me.
My daughter, please forgive. No? You have a good heart. If not, God will be rotting in the police cell. Oh?
You see, my daughter, I assure you, she will not go unpunished. Yes, our town union are working seriously on her arrest and possible punishment, whether she likes it or not. Just mark my words.
Yes, we will make sure she pay. Oh? I used to hear that money makes people wicked, but I didn't believe it until I see my daughter showing it.
Not nowadays. Not nowadays. Children of nowadays are full of wickedness. In fact, they wear wickedness and abomination as a garment. Yes. Huh?
No. Take heart, oh? Take heart. Please.
You see, my daughter, we came with these items of condolence. We could not make it yesterday because we are afraid of your kinsmen.
My kinsmen are peaceful people.
Just take it easy, eh? Don't worry, I'll come back to stay with you.
That won't be necessary, Mama. I'll be leaving here in a few days. Because staying in this place will only make me think about evil.
It's okay.
It's okay. We have to go now. Like I said, take it easy.
Thank you.
Hey. Hey, what's going on?
This is the time. I must take my pound of flesh today.
You're not talking to me. What is it?
I just buried my father and my brother.
What? And I hope it's not my sister that killed them.
I don't know who killed my father, but gold shot my brother.
What? Why? And I'm very sure she was the one who kidnapped me. Because I still remember vividly when I was in captivity, I had a voice that sounded like one of her boys.
She kidnapped you because she knows that I wouldn't do anything to retaliate because I love you.
Oh God. What is all this? Please, I'm sorry for putting you through all this. I know you're going through all this because of me.
You didn't do anything to me. It's not your fault.
Thank you for your understanding.
Have you had anything to eat?
Yeah, I drank tea.
You should have some good food. You should eat.
Oh, yep, let me.
You did what? How could you be this careless? Why are you playing with your wealth? Do you want to go back to poverty?
What would you have had me do? Now tell me, what did you want me to do? The great one asked me to do it. I was helpless.
So, you've accepted wretchedness?
And I ask again, what do you want me to do?
If I were you, I would kill my brother to save my wealth.
Unfortunately, I cannot kill my brother. If I do so, our ancestral deity would take my life in 2 days.
There should be a way out.
There is no way out. Rose, there is no way out. I am between death and death. Don't you get it?
Since Silva's father is dead, I feel she does not have any backup plans.
So what are you asking me to do? To kill her?
The ball is in your court.
done enough? Haven't you?
Have you performed your ritual?
Wise one. cannot kill a man whose seed I carry inside.
You are playing with your life. You are playing with fire and coal. It is dangerous.
I know. I know all of this. Please help me. I love him. I can do anything. I can even bring 2 men. Whatever you want. Name it. Even half of my wealth, I can return it to you.
You were told what to do from the beginning. That you must give. Nothing more, nothing less.
Then, take my life.
We do not need your life. The sacrifice you must perform.
I'm so sorry. I really have to do this.
Wakey, wakey, wake up. It's time for breakfast. Wakey, wakey. Good morning, my love.
Good morning, David.
How are you? Good morning. Come on. It's time for breakfast. Breakfast in bed. Get up. Come on. Get up, stand up.
This is truly sweet of you.
Thank you.
Oh, can I freshen up first?
No. Don't do that, okay? At least have your breakfast in bed first, so you can now go and freshen up.
Okay.
Anyways, you know I'm not too good in the kitchen, so I burnt the egg.
Come on, I didn't even know you could whip up some eggs.
Of course, no. At least I went to school. I cooked for myself.
It has nothing to do with school, trust me.
Okay.
Come on, I appreciate that you're doing this for me. Here's a fork.
Oh, you want fork? Stop. I can actually give you fork.
No, it's okay. You know what?
Should I give you fork?
Let me taste the tea.
Okay.
If the temperature is just right, then I would know how. Before you go get me the
Not
fork.
too hot, not too cold.
Are you sure?
Yeah, not too hot, not too cold. Just.
Wow, you did
delicious.
good. Come on, baby.
Yeah, like, do you actually want me to go give you fork? Like.
Can you just let this be?
Let me give you fork.
No, I can't. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't waste a precious life of someone who can put a smile on so many people's faces. Why?
Here to do my worst. Give me the money.
Oga, you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. I've already told the police about your threats. So if you touch me, I will just go straight to the police station and report you. I know what? They are going to arrest you.
Hey, now listen. You mean you are going to eat my money? Is that what you're planning to do, to eat my money?
I don't have time to waste with you now.
Give me my money.
Mesa!
Hey, you kill somebody!
been? I've been calling you for an hour, but you didn't take your calls. You were supposed to come meet me at your new apartment. You didn't come. Are you okay?
I'm sorry, I'm fine.
Okay, where are you going? Where are your things?
I will go and get them.
Okay, get into the taxi, let's go. I'll take you there. Oh, you look sad. Is everything alright?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Have you performed your ritual?
Wise one. I cannot kill a man whose seed I carry inside.
You are playing with your life. You are playing with fire and coal. It is dangerous.
I know all of this. Please help me. I love him. I can do anything. I can even bring 2 men. Whatever you want. Name it. Even half of my wealth, I can return it to you.
You were told what to do from the beginning. That you must give. Nothing more, nothing less.
Then take my life.
We do not need your life. The sacrifice you must perform.
Bitch. Here you are. There is no hiding place for the wicked. Baby, you need to pack your old clothes and leave this house immediately.
What's the problem making his gold fighting?
No, it's not about gold. I'll call you on the phone and I'll explain to you. It's a long story.
Please talk to me now.
You need to leave now. Please, I'll call you. Please. I love you, okay? Just go and go get them. Your old clothes, okay?
So this is true?
Oga, it's true. I'm yet to come off the shock of the passing away of my friend. Chima.
But why didn't he repay when he has the money?
Well, I've never seen a man as stubborn and as adamant as Chima. I pleaded with Chima. I argued with Chima. I even fought Chima. Pay this man his money. Pay Mensa his money. I told him.
So he decided to risk his life because of mere money. Eh? Where's his body now?
We took the body to his village.
Chai.
His poor mother. I couldn't stand the sight of the tears that were rolling down from the eyes of that poor woman. Hey! Chima.
Do you know there is nothing in this world? This world is vanity upon vanity. I tell you, that is why I make sure I stay out of problems or any troubles.
You did with Chima. I even told him that Mensa is a killer. I told him.
What about Mensa? Has he been arrested?
Mensa, he's on the run. Who knows, maybe he has run back to his country.
You are wasting time. Leave, so the owner of the house will back in.
You asked me to do.
Good. Keep it by my feet.
Is there any other thing you need me to do?
You will have to wait for confirmation.
Thank you. Afternoon.
You sent for me, wise one.
Yes. I have good news for you.
I can't wait to hear it. Please tell me.
Your brother will not be used for sacrifice again. As a matter of fact, your friend has gone back to wretchedness. You can see for yourself.
Wise one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
The gods demand your sacrifice as a matter of urgent.
Wise one, I told you earlier. Whatever it is the gods want, I will provide it. Just name it.
I like those who keep to their words.
Thank you very much, wise one. Thank you.
Are you ready now?
I am ready. Just name it, wise one.
Your womb.
What? My what?
I'm not the one demanding for this, but the gods.
Wise one. Can't they demand for something else? I can give you 10 live cows. Please.
Young woman, there is no room for argument or battle here.
You better do what they demand. Or you know the consequence.
Wise one, please. I can make it 100 cows. I need a child. I need someone to bear my name when I'm gone.
Listen, my hand is tied. There's nothing I can do. That is what they demand. And you have to provide it.
Hey. Okay. Can I go and come back later?
You can go and come back. You have 7 hours to come back here. Failing to do that, you will run mad instantly and die.
Okay, wise one.
Have you no fear? How dare you? How dare you bring in a dead man for sacrifice? Why would you even think of it?
Wise one, I am sorry. I am confused. I was with him last night. We even made love. He touched me. He is not dead. He's not.
Go and ask questions.
I am sorry. I am sorry. What is going on? Is she trying to pull my legs or what? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Wise one, I am sorry. Where is Chima?
Why are you asking as if you don't know?
As if I don't know what. Where is he?
Chima died some days ago while fighting with Mensa. The news is everywhere.
I don't believe you. What are you trying to say? I was with Chima. We ate from the same plate. We drank from the same bottle. We even slept on the same bed.
I'm not surprised.
What do you mean,
I'm not surprised. See, you are not the only person that has seen Chima since he died. In fact, he was even at the site 3 days ago to collect money from the foreman at our construction site. So...
This is strange. This is strange. This is strange. This is strange.
Just pity the poor mother. Pity him, his mother.
Is the mother still alive?
Of course, I was...
The mother is still alive.
Where...
Chima. Hey, he's strong. He's strong. Chima. Yeah, son, excuse me. Please come, don't be angry. What happened to him?
I heard he died while fighting with a guy he hired a car from. But he was buried yesterday as our tradition demands.
Hey, buried?
Yes.
Died?
Yes.
Hey! 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 My God. No. You will have killed me. Oh! Wise one, please. I am sorry.
Please, I am truly sorry. Please forgive me. There is nothing to forgive. You have chosen the path of doom. Please, have mercy on me. Have mercy. I can do anything. I will pay anything to be forgiven. Because... Oh, hush. What do you think you can give to the source of your wealth? You have nothing but your life. Hey! Hey! I don't want to die, I don't want to die. Please have mercy. Forgive me, I don't want to die. I have not even enjoyed my wealth. I have not. Please forgive me. Please, wise one. That is your fault. And it is your fate. I don't want to die. I can't die now. It's a mistake. Oh, a mistake. Oh, just a little mistake. Give me chance. I will send 7 fierce spirits from the harsh legions to flog you for the rest of your life. No. Get out. No, please. Please have mercy, please. I am sorry. Please, wise one, please, Bikono, please. Please let me beg them, talk to them. Get out. Wise one, please. Hey, I am sorry. Oh. Please, Bikono.
Are you ready?
Can I make a request, please?
Which is?
Can I go and come back in 1 year?
What did you just say? The answer is Capitano. Your womb is needed for a feast. After the feast, termites will eat your inner part.
Great one, this is too much. It's too much. Please.
Don't say that again. Do not say that again. Haven't we done so much for you?
You have... okay. Can I bring another woman?
No.
What about any member of my family?
Do you have any member of your family without a child?
Yes, I do. My younger brother.
Bring him here now, today.
Okay. Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
Vanity is a mystery. Vanity upon vanity. All is vanity. Oh, Vanity. Vanity. Oh, Vanity. 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 Vanity.
Why, son? Please, I'm begging you. I beg you with everything you serve. I've tried to find a substitute. I couldn't get any. I don't want anything to happen to me, please. Please.
Young lady, luck has turned its back against you.
Hey.
As long as this sacred place is concerned, you are our next feast.
My son. Please, let me get something else like I promised. Please. Please, wise one, I'm begging you, please. 1 million cows, goats, fowl, just anything. Anything you want. I don't want to lose my womb.
Did you not hear me? I say luck has turned it back against you.
Hey, wise one. Okay, I can give you family.
I say leave.
Please help me. Please help me. I don't want to.
I say get out.
I don't want to die. Wise one.
tired already. I'm tired. Why? Wait, I'm tired. I don't want to do it.
Sister? What happened?
I'm tired. They are flogging me.
What is it? That who is flogging you?
I need help. Take me to a pastor.
So, sister, you know the road to the village, Abi? When Papa died, come to the village. You will not come. Send money, let us bury him. You will not.
They are flogging me.
You're coming to the village.
Come. They are flogging me.
I'm sure it is the people you use for money ritual are the one flogging you. See, don't worry. Papa will soon join them and flog you too.
Please now. You're my brother. You can please.
You now know the road to the village.
Yes,
don't worry.
I know. I know. You can please. Woman of God, help me in this. I don't want to die. Help me.
If you want me to help you, who am I to say no? Go on and tell me what your problem is.
I need urgent deliverance, please. Urgent one.
What type of deliverance?
They're flogging me. They're flogging me. I soiled my hand with the devil. I made my money through ritual means.
Are you into money ritual? AKA blood money.
Yes, please help me. Pray for me.
And you said they are flogging you. How many of them are flogging you?
I don't know. There are many. There are plenty. Help me now because they don't help me.
How did it start?
It started when I thought I found love. Help me.
Should I add more salt?
I brought my love. This one is mine.
My love.
So Gary can be this sweet too.
With salt. Yes.
We would have added pancanel, just that we don't have.
See.
Again, what is it?
If not that they seized my container. Oh God. I won't be giving you Gary to drink.
My love, you don't have to worry yourself anymore. You know, remember I promised you, once I gather enough money from all that money I'm saving now, I'll just give everything to you. So you can just start up a business, no matter how little. From there we can stop drinking Gary.
God, thank you for blessing me. Thank you for blessing me with a beautiful woman. It can only be you, one you in the whole wide world. My baby, this is why I love you.
I love you too.
See, I can't wait to come to the village and pay your bike ride so that I will have you all by myself. You will be my forever.
Me too. I can't wait to be your wife. So that I can be my and my alone forever.
Try. Please drink before it will swell up. Right.
Maybe we would have reduced this Gary so that we can drink it in the night.
No. It will swell up.
Yeah, but we can reduce it and drink it in the night.
We add more water.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Okay, what is your face like this?
I'm tired. Yes. I'm tired of working day and night, using my money to be buying drugs for Papa and Mama. I mean, is this how I'm going to become a man?
Is Papa sick again?
Do I have water in my mouth? I say everybody in the house is sick. And I cannot continue to buying drugs every day. I need money.
Hi. Make him. Just go. Tomorrow I'll come and visit them. I will see people tomorrow.
See, sister, this time I will not visit. I need money. I need money. I'm tired.
It's true. It's money you need. Tomorrow I'll come and I'll bring money tomorrow.
I'm not going anywhere. Please give me money. You're here drinking Gary. It can go.
Take spoon, drink Gary first. You
Don't worry, drink Gary. If they release my container, I will take all your family members to hospital. Trust me. Drink Gary. Take 2 spoons. I'm not hungry.
Baby.
Baby?
Open it.
You're full of surprises, sir.
Now.
What is it again?
Open it.
Jesus. Baby?
Hmm?
How?
Baby,
This is money, oh. Eh? I want you to use it very well. Use it very well. Don't just use it anyhow. Use it and start up something, no matter how small. Eh? I know it will grow.
Hey.
Use it very well. You know I don't like a man being idle. It's my savings, so.
Hey, baby.
Hmm?
I love you.
I love you.
I love you again.
I love
On
you
top of
again.
the love, I love you again.
And I keep loving you.
Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. See, when God finally blessed me, I am going to change your life. Yes. And I know that my blessing is coming. I know that God must bless me. I can see my future very bright. Sometimes my future used to blow my eyes. I swear, I am going to change your life. You will not believe it.
Baby, that is good, but tell me, what kind of business will you do with this money? Don't go and use it and play lado or bet. Tell me the business you want to do with it.
Visual Bungwangwa. I will not even go that side. You know, your baby has experience with oil construction companies. We used to buy oil wells from the government back in the days.
I don't know.
I will just go back into the business because I have experience. Yes. I will start with a mini oil importation, like buying of engine oil. You know, this keke and all these motorists, they'll be using engine oil on a daily basis. Baby, I am very sure that business is very, very lucrative. With this money, I can start.
So you want to open a small shop here be selling engine oil?
Yes.
Hey, stop confusing me.
Oil.
That's fine.
Oh yeah. I will even add granite oil. I'm going to buy some goods right now. Uzbunje, let me start immediately. Chima and Sauce Nigeria Limited. Thank you. Go.
No, baby, leave it. Hey. Go before it get that.
Let me go set up.
Go, baby, mo. Hey. I just hope nothing bad has happened to him. Since morning he left, I've been calling his number. Switched off, not available. Switched off. Chima. Hey, Chineke. Awesome. Where is Chima? Did you see him?
I don't understand. Is he missing?
For now, no, he's not missing. It's just that he went to buy some oil since morning. Until now, he's not back. His phone is even switched off.
Okay, you've been calling him? Call him again. Chima that I know. His phone cannot be switched off. Call him. Switched off.
Switched off, I told you. Where is he? Is he fine?
Chima, he's supposed to be fine now.
I'm worried. Since morning he left the house with the money, he has not returned.
Chima. But Chima is... Not before my mouth, you could take here say your father don't let cook egg.
What does that mean?
No, don't worry.
Also, are you sure everything is fine?
Chima is fine now. See, this is a boyfriend and girlfriend matter. I'm a new tribal. I'm not supposed to even talk put for this in a matter now. But what God has joined together, also is not supposed to put us under.
I just hope he's fine.
You mean Chima that? Okay. Yes, he's fine. So just don't worry. See, just keep calling him. Very soon, he's fine. Just call him. And let me just.
Let me go and look.
Meanwhile, just keep trying, yeah. Keep trying. Try. Call. Try. Try, yeah. Try.
Also, come, let's go and look for him. You know, he might be carrying heavy weight and he might need my help. Come, let's go and look for him.
Just keep calling. Call, then I will come.
Thank you so much for the birthday surprise and the party.
It's nothing. I've made money. That's nothing to compare to the things I will still do for you. Yes. Don't worry. Let me surprise you. Come wear a look at film. Yeah.
Hey!
This is money.
Hey!
Chima has made money.
Hey!
Enjoy my money.
Chima!
Enjoy my money.
Chima!
All
Hey!
you money.
Hey!
Chima, all you Nigerian.
Ew.
Eh?
Ew.
Turn around for me.
Chima.
Call my name. Call my
Chima.
name. Call my
Ew.
name. I've made money.
Chima.
My baby.
Ew. Wow. Hey!
Hey!
Chima has made fun.
Chima. Chima, what is going on here? Chima. Is this the oil business you said you want to start? Eh? Who is she? Excuse me.
Who is she?
My baby, please don't mind me. She's one of the girls that has been following me around since I met this man. They stop her.
Chima, me. One of the girls. Me! Chima, this is my hard-earned money. I labored for this money under hot sun.
Who are you, please? Eh?
Chima.
Who are you?
It's me.
Who are you?
It's me, baby.
What is your name? Who is your baby?
Who is her baby?
Eh?
It's me now.
This is
It's
my
me.
baby. This is my baby.
Me now? Can't you
Baby,
see?
have some.
Give me my money now.
I will slap you.
Chima, give me my money.
Leave me alone, no.
Give me my money.
I will slap you.
Chima, give me my money.
I will beat you.
Give me my money.
I will beat you.
Give me my money.
I don't know what's going on.
Give me my money.
Do you think you can disgrace me after giving you a roof over your head? Because I will not take it. I will not. This your bag, Ghana must go. Right now, it's going to be Rose must go.
Hey, baby, because
Baby, get on here.
Please, because please.
Rose.
I will not do it again. Please forgive me. I will not do it again. I will not do it again. I will not do it again. I don't want to get up.
What's the problem? Talk to me now, one minute. Tell her to leave this house.
I'm sorry.
Tell her to leave this house. Get up.
I don't want to go anywhere because I am sorry. I will not do it again. No,
Eh?
I will not do it again.
Do what? What did you do?
I will not ask for my money again. I will not. Baby, I will not ask for my money. Baby.
Come leave this place.
Baby, I am sorry.
Leave this
Chima.
place.
You know I love you. I'm sorry.
I don't love you anymore.
Hey,
The love has expired.
No, Chima, we were in this together. Chima. Hey.
I will not you.
How can you do that? Why you do like this? See. Also, mind the way you put your mouth in people's relationship. I will chase you out.
I no get power.
Eh?
I know they talk both for boyfriend and girlfriend matter at all. But coordinate you two they do abeg.
Also, I'm the other one. Take your time, oh.
I know they understand una at all. Why people are poor people and them like to fight pass? Eh? You
Yesterday it was you and Aleka. Today are you and Silva. What is your problem?
Okay. I am not the troublesome one here. Didn't you see what she did to my goods? She just scattered everything.
But were you not there yesterday? Were you not there yesterday? This was the same person who threw my stuff away yesterday. And you're coming to say...
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Why will you scatter my goods?
What are you asking?
Did you give me money to buy them?
Are you asking me that kind of question? What kind of nonsense talk is that one? See, I will continue to do it until I get my revenge.
See, when next you scatter my goods, I will scatter you.
See this your neck when this I go break her.
I will scatter
I
you.
will break you.
I will break.
What is wrong with this one?
I will not take your nose. I will break your nose.
It's okay. It's okay.
What is it? I will fire you. Very soon.
It has fired you already.
I will fire you.
Fire you. It fire you. All your generation. All your village members.
Let me not deal with this guy.
Thunder fire the two of you. That thunder when they call, when go fire her, it go fire you. You yourself, you go fire you.
No. She thunder go fire.
So you people have energy like this. You cannot put your strength into making money. Every day you girls are fighting. I found a temple where we can make money in weeks. You people don't need to keep fighting. Yes! Make good money so that we can leave this poverty, leave streets, leave hawking, leave fighting.
Are you sure? I don't want to go and waste my time.
Now why you never make money for your life? Anything good that comes, you always doubt. I'm telling you of something, you're asking me if I'm sure. I know what I am saying.
Don't get person go there before.
Ask me.
Girls,
ask me.
Girls, calm down. I did do my findings before I did talk. This place I'm talking about now, they are not even going to ask us for human sacrifice. Yes!
You don't do one before.
How are you sure?
If blood no there, I get interest.
Correct!
Are you sure?
You no go ever make money for
at
your
all,
life.
Let me get the all goose waka so.
You go. See this mumu there.
It's okay! You don't do. Are you in or out? You dey think am? Which one
dey think again now? I bet if you leave this girl come for the follow the
your poverty voice too dey sharp. Calm down.
No mind, you go the back.
You want say if you go do abi no go do?
Answer. Now your do. Show now your money. Now your temple. Your blood.
When would they go hot?
Now you girls are talking.
When would they go?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
What happened to today?
Tomorrow we are going to this place. Girls, it is a secret and it is between us and us alone.
So I no fit tell my brother.
No, go carry microphone for a church, make you an answer.
Why you dey call this girl join all this kind of thing now?
Carry your tray, may we go pick your goods when they throw away for road, may go
back. She go give me that money, I no go.
You go pay my own for yesterday.
You go give me that money.
When you pay my money finish.
Oh yeah, you don't do.
See.
You don't say
you dey mad though. You dey mad.
No need to fight.
You dey crazy.
No, that dey fight dead body.
You will never tell anyone what you're here to do.
Great one. We are ready. We are very ready. Yes, we are.
Good. Your first assignment is you shall eat your first phases of the day with any drink of your choice. Your second assignment is you shall eat the first phases you see in the bush with any drink of your choice.
No. I don't think I can do this. Hey. But come to think of it, this is my only way out of poverty. If I do, what about the second sacrifice? Second assignment? To fear, I can never do it. I will not do it. Never. What kind of... Hello, Ike. Ike. This is the reason I must make money. Oh. I just have to make money. I must make this money. I've tried. I must make this money. Money, wherever you are, I must make you. You must come and meet me. I deserve money.
All I need, the money.
I'm tired. Help me, because that was how my journey. That was my journey.
Oh, what a journey! Hey, what a terrible journey!
Up here.
Where is your park? Your park.
I don't understand. This is church. This is church. I don't have it. She don't understand. Please, deliver me.
What are you doing here? Huh?
What am I even doing here? I don't remember.
Have I not warned you not to come close to this church again?
Have you told me that? Oh, I'm here to dance.
Hi!
You're here to dance. Go to another church and dance. I don't know why you will not allow me to rest. Are you the only mad woman in this town?
Hi! Oh, Pastor, pray for me now.
It's okay.
She's a mad woman now.
I'm sorry, she's not right.
Hey.
She's not right.
Please deliver me. I need urgent deliverance. Start praying.
What type of spiritual attack is here?
I have a spiritual attack. They are flogging me. So many evil people.
Lisa, we are closed for the year.
Pastor, I will pay. I will pay the amount. I will pay you. Just say it. I will pay. I will pay. I will
It's not
pay
about the
now.
money. Serving God is not about the money. You understand?
Please, I will pay the amount. Help me. I don't want to die.
Please, we are closed for the day.
Pastor, help me now.
Go and fast solution.
Say something.
I told you we have closed for the year. Come on.
Stop there. Stop right there. He's Officer Robinson, B Division. That's my colleague.
I am Detective Greg.
You're under arrest for the murder of Mr. Chima.
No. It was an accident. Come on.
Quiet. Quiet. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Move. Officer,
hey,
take him.
That's rude. I will use force if necessary. Move.
All right. Move.
I should have listened to that old woman. What you asked me to do.
Good. Keep it by my feet.
Is there any other thing you need me to do?
You will have to wait for confirmation.
Thank you. After.
Now that you have completed your first and second assignment, you need to bring an eye of a dog and a breast of a monkey.
Wise one. Is there some females I can use to replace them?
Is there anything else you can use to replace money?
No.
Then go and bring them. You have until tomorrow to bring them. Go.
Hey! Rose, you have entered. Ibaigo. Where do I see an eye of a dog? A breast of a monkey. Hey! Rose, Have you seen it? This thing is not easy. This thing is not easy at all. What do I do? This thing is not easy. It's not easy.
If it breaks your conscience, then it is evil. Do not put your hands. Evil kills. Evil is evil.
Old woman, what do you know?
Do not put your hands into evil, for it will ruin you. Evil is evil. Do not put your hands into evil. Evil will ruin you. Evil will destroy you. Do not put your hands into evil. Evil kills.
So this is the end of the story.
Vanity. All is vanity. Vanity. All is vanity, vanity, vanity. All is vanity. Vanity.
I have come to take you home, okay?
Which home?
Yeah, listen, I was able to buy our house back. So we are going back to our house. I bought it from the original owner. Okay? From the person who bought it. Oh, let me, you need to freshen up so we can go. Okay? Sorry, stop crying. Mama, indeed, what God cannot do does not exist. So when I met this white man struggling to build an app, and I was looking at him, he was struggling and he wasn't doing it right. So I tried to put him through. Suddenly, he believed in me and gave me 2 more apps to build for me, which cost him each $75,000. Mama, the boat was $150,000. When you convert that to Nigerian money, you know how much? Over 150 million naira.
Hey, Mama Kulezi.
God has really done it for you, Mama. Thank God for everything.
My God is good.
Of course, all the time.
I knew this would end in praise.
I'm truly sorry for making you pass through hell. Sorry.
Hey, come on. I should be the one thanking you for not using my head for rituals.
You knew about that?
Of course. I knew all this why. Inside me, I was praying seriously for it not to happen. And finally, it didn't. See, you have a heart of gold. You're a good woman.
I love you.
My daughter, your kind is rare. You have a heart of gold. Nothing will cut your life short. As long as you remain kind to people. Oh?
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Well, so after all the storm, troubles, everything, we're finally at peace. So we can peacefully prepare for our wedding.
What are you waiting for? Start going. Start immediately.
Come on, Mama. Let's spend some more time with you. We can go back later. Come on.
Okay. No problem. I like that too.
So let me join Mama.
Women gossip.
My angel.
Okay. All right, let me get something doing, okay? Let me get busy. Let me get busy so all of you can. I cannot work like a rich man.
Come on. Have you called the commissioner of police to tell him that my mother is pregnant? They did not give her anything at the church. Yes. Tell them to bring it down to the seminary. Who is in the cemetery? I told you to tell them that the bank will open by 5 o'clock. Go and cut him. Yes. Tell the parish priest that CBN is here to collect the chicken. Who brought the goat? Who? The dead man. Hey! My mother did not give birth to a woman. She gave birth to a grandfather. Now you are talking. Okay. But I Peter that will meet by the cemetery side, oh? Where I am? Oh! I'm by the train station. I'm going to Colombia. Please let me just enter my swimming pool now. When I'm done swimming, I'll call you back, oh? Okay now. Let me swim. Oh yeah. Let's dive inside. I'll see you later, oh? Bye bye. Don't forget my spanner and the nut for the tire. Okay. I will see you. Let me dive into it.
You must fear them, fear them. How I love you. You go see them when they're spending money. You must fear them, no cross their leg. You go see them when they're spending money. Sisters food, come and belong and make money. Go see their money long. Haji Pego, Pepsi Jipa Kashi, you must fear them, how I love you. You go see them when they're spending money. You must fear them, no cross their leg. You go see them when they're spending money. Sisters food, come and belong and make money. Go see their money long. Haji Pego, Pepsi Jipa Kashi, you must fear them, how I love you. You go see them when they're spending money. You must fear them, no cross their leg. You go see them when they're spending money. No, Pepsi, I did the back committed to enter. No be wahala out of now the condition. I got back against you better they know. Because we're pouching, always think about the ending. All that glitters is not good at all. You get money, but your family members are suffering. No good relationship for opposite sex. Any man where you get the sacrifice go to. Any man where come across you, any man where you get the sacrifice go to. Any love where you find the sacrifice go to. Whether you like them or not, sisters good, come and belong and make money. Go see their money long. Haji Pego, Pepsi Jipa Kashi, you must fear them, how I love you. You go see them when they're spending money. You must fear them, no cross their leg. You go see them when they're spending money. Sisters good, come and belong and make money. Go see their money long. Haji Pego, Pepsi Jipa Kashi, you must fear them, how I love you.